I'm the seed of Christ. I'm unstoppable. I reign in life. That's who I am. I'm begotten of the Holy Spirit. I carry God on the inside. Everywhere I go.
Nollywood actors don't come out for social media, not even social media, e just come House of Assembly, just they talk, they call all celebrities, all bloggers, you understand, for social media, they call them children, this man, they call Desmond idiot. This man, see, I will play the video. I don't want just to talk. I just want to play. I just want me to watch the video. I'll say the video don't go viral, but I just want me to still watch and I still talk with it. I want to talk. I want make una see waiting in the vomit for him mouth. Essentialmente.
Mr. Speaker, we need to address certain things. The Nigerian youth, the social media, the social influencers, all of these are making the narrative that we are seeing today, except we are joking with ourselves. Social media, yes, though good, has its negative impact. Let me first thank you for condemning the wanton killings and carnage that happened at Lekki. When I went through the comments, I could not believe it, Mr. Speaker. The curses, the abuses from children. And I ask myself, is this Nigeria? What is going on? Children cursing, people having the effrontery to enter an Oba's palace, hold the staff of office. Culture is gone. Mr. Speaker, in the next 5 years, there will be no Nigeria. If we don't start now. The youth is not only those who do the peaceful protest. Those who have looted, who have destroyed lives, they are youths as well. Mr. Speaker, pregnant women went into malls, picked things and went away. When shall we change this narrative? I put it to all the celebrities out there, all the motivational speakers. This is the only country we have. The wealthy will go. When anything happens, what is our common saying? We die here. Please, celebrities, please, social media influencers, stop the hatred already. You have a means constitutionally to change government. It's called your P.
Una hear una self. No wonder clit the draw given Desmond idiot. Now this is why they talk. Some people do will be say courtesy they not get. I will see the talker. Manner of approach they not get her. You see waiting a come out come they talk for House of Assembly. Now I wonder how this man even take, although he say he's a product of Godfatherism. I wonder how he take, find himself for inside House of Assembly. Now this one are the youth where they cry. We need youth. We need youth. We need you. Now, this one are our youth now. We even call youth like children. You see what we are talking about now? Sometimes when they talk say we want youth to rule Nigeria. If youth rule Nigeria, how you want me Nigeria be? I question what they ask. I don't say this one people go attack me. Now this one are youth now. We be say if he even find himself, luckily find himself for House of Assembly. See what they talk. See, there's one idiot. You know what? I like the way Zakoji, you understand? They sit down, they watch you, and all those things now real life. I want me to see how they watch you. How social media people, celebrity, they watch you. I want to make it essentialmente.
How is your brother Terry doing? I hope he's taking real good care of you.
Terry has been so wonderful. You need to see him. He has abandoned his business just to stay around me. You know, you can come and look at the way he took care of me at the hospital.
I'll surely reward him when I come back to the country. Is he around? Let me speak with him.
Honey, he's not around. A friend of his came to invite him out. I don't think they went.
You see, huh? They watch you. They are watching the youth. They are coming for you. Do you know? Say later they can't come back. They apologize. Apology not accepted yet. The youth they come for you. Now you see why we say your mouth it go destroy you, go still make you. After you don't tell that nonsense finish now, you can't they apologize. You say sorry for calling them children. Just imagine small boy of yesterday, we just grow start Nollywood. They act. And now you don't get small BS. Now you can't they call celebrities children. Why? Because you say you dey power. You see why they call on political animals. That sense is not there. This is why some people, you will just enter into entertainment. You feel your platform now to insult people. Your platform to lay curse on people. Not knowing that your fans, your followers, they are the one that make you today. You never even go anywhere. So people don't say they never reach anywhere. Anywhere they they want to show power. If you see their background, they are nothing. They are nothing. I always they talk and I'll still say it now. You see me at once. Most of you for Akwa Ibom State. Most of you for Abia. Most of you for Abakaleke. And for Rivers State. Obiakpo local government precisely, where they receive silver bell television as at that 2009. When I go see my face, Togo woman, Igala woman, I work for silver bell television for good 6 months. 6 months every Monday, 5:30 to 6 o'clock. You understand? Now, why they told this? I remember when I dey waka one day, I dey waka for Rumokoro. I dey waka with my girl that time. She just called me. I look, he say, go see. I was watching myself. And not of them. When I reach house, a pastor in South Africa visit our church that time. Then my pastor come in his presence here. God's power. He said, check, look yourself. I call you the store where they opposite the church. And they show my program. Because do you know that now millions of people are watching you now? I said, yes, I know. But I don't want to talk waiting it to the prayers way. I don't want to talk. But those one I see the reason why I did where I did today. But what I want to talk about this. Even irrespective of millions of people they watch me, I still use my leg, they walk out for street. I know they show myself. My first movie was acted in 2003 in Iwekme, which Iwekme people will still they hear what they talk now. We said the case to 200 naira. See, you can't hear that from me. People don't be saying they go just see. They never hear your name. You want just show yourself. Now you want make people know say you don't arrive. No. Like what did these desperate idiots do? When you were acting, you have followers. You have comrades where they act with you, where they like you. Just because you enter corridor of power, you want to use that platform to insult people. They call, even people who senior you, they call them children. At least, I know say, for them Ali Baba, all those people, they even Zakoji, they there. Zakoji, where they watch you that time, they there. And you are calling those, even me myself, now you will be age mate. You not see my BS. I know this to burn you. Now, you are calling us, sorry, I just a joke, you understand? Don't say I must do my entertainment. You understand? Sorry, I don't say you senior me, I just a joke. I beg. You understand now? So now, you are calling them children. Why? Because you don't arrive. Because you don't have people who say that they get cup allowance, water allowance. cough allowance, sneeze allowance, even coronavirus allowance. You don't say you don't arrive. Now so now they do, most of you now. I never reach anywhere. Now don't arrive. Anywhere when I go, they'll just give you now chance. 2 minutes to talk. Now don't spoil grant. If you never talk nonsense, una talk no go complete. Well done. Una do well. See, pride comes before fall. Those ones where they check out for loud, those ones where they proud, they never go anywhere. They never go anywhere. As I did now, as I did. I remember there was a time I went somewhere. So people know what they talk now. I went somewhere. We learn something for computer. Do you know the person I called? I called a 12-year-old boy for video. 12-year-old boy. The mother know what they talk. Now I go see her. He go watch me now. When I was 12 years old, and we were there with people. Later, those will say, wow, this is good. This is computer time. I not feel proud. See what did I do? I call and say, yeah, it's okay. And the boy tell me, so yeah, I can't see it well. Put it well. I will say, yes, sir. Put it well. And as I say, come on, this time now, you are my boss. So, but tomorrow, if I hear you say you are my boss, I will deal with you. You understand? People they can't laugh. But I humble myself to learn from him. This thing happened inside this month. Inside this month, or let me say last month. Understand? This thing happened October. I humble myself. 12 years old boy. May we humble ourselves. God will respect you. You know, I told this thing before. People say no. See, God respects man. No, God they respect man. There are some things you will do before God. God respect you. I'm telling you. That's why some prayers will be say you they pray to God. God they respect that prayer. They grant that request. When you humble yourself. Humble yourself. So people now will be say they be number 5, but there are 3 people that are number 7. They never reach anywhere. But why some people say they be number 7? Like we now, me. They be number 7. They carry themselves. I have been into entertainment many years ago, but you can't hear that. You can't hear that. You can't hear that. Even some churches which I will go today, you know, they're not going to say I even go pastoral school and Bible school. They're not going to know. But now for knowledge, humble yourself. Humble yourself. If everybody comes to social media, they tell them their background, people go surprised. Nigeria today produce one of the best university, you know. Produce one of the best students in one university in USA. But a person, a pastor born that person. Two men. Bishop Oyedepo. But you not go here. You not go here. You not go here. One of the best hotel in South Africa is built by a Nigerian pastor, Pastor Chris. You not go here now. You not go here now. But those always say they never reach anywhere. No, it's like this one now, this desperate idiots now. Yeah, Mr. Speaker, you they talk nonsense. The youth, they are coming from you. I better not to do it in our time. Don't go, my people. I better will follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.